Many people think that coding is difficult, but the truth is, even 4 years old can learn how to code. In this video, I'll show you how to write your first computer program in 5 minutes. Hi, I'm Christine. I'm a programmer who produces more programmers. I've been teaching programming for the last 26 years. Do you know that websites like Netflix, Google, Instagram, YouTube are coded using Python? Which is what you are doing now, and all the coders started where you are exactly. Let's start coding. Every time I give an instruction, I want you to watch the video, pause it, and go ahead to follow my demonstration. Once you've completed, come back and continue to watch the video. Are you ready? Open up your browser, and in your browser, type trinket.io/python3. This is a simple environment to write your Python program and run it. On the left side is the area where you type your Python program, and on the right side is the area to view your output. Let's type our first statement in Python using the print function. So you have to type exactly what you see here, print, and then with the words hello programmer. Next, you're going to run the program by clicking the play button. You will see the result of the program on the right side. Now pause the video, go ahead and write your first Python program. Welcome back. How did it go? I'm sure you did well. In my lesson, I'll explain the meaning of this print function. You will understand the syntax or rules in Python. Now let's add 2 more lines of code to our program. In the second line, type the word name followed by the equal sign and another Python function called input. Inside the brackets, type what is your name. In the third line, type print followed by the word hello, a plus symbol, and the word name. Now let's run the program. In the output window, you will see a rectangle next to the question, what is your name? This means that Python is expecting you to type something. So I'm going to type my name and press the enter key. Python then prints the word hello followed by my name. Now pause the video and write your program. Great job! You have now completed your first Python program. If you want to learn more about coding, do join my webinar using the link below. I'm Christine. I believe that everyone can code.